Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a very healthy snack, roasted peanut peda. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a blender, add half cup of roasted peanuts. Make sure you take the skin off, and half cup of powdered jaggery. Blend this to a very fine powder. Transfer the powder to a mixing bowl. Give it a quick mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted ghee and mix well. Mix until all comes together like this. Now using your hands, make a ball out of it. Use both your hands to make a smooth ball. Place it in a rolling board. Place a butter paper on top of it and level it using your hands. Start rolling using a rolling pin. Don't make it too thin. 1 centimeter thickness should be good. Now using a cookie cutter, make shapes. You can go with any shape. I'm using a circle cookie cutter today. Now it's all ready to serve. You can store it in an airtight container and use for a week's time. Very healthy recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.